We'll guide you through how to explore the latest updates on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Vercel website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. After logging in, look at the top navigation bar and click on the changelog link. This is where Vercel posts all its recent updates and announcements about new features, improvements, and bug fixes. As you scroll through the changelog, you'll notice that each entry is dated, making it easy to find the most recent updates. If you want more details about a specific update, click on the entry to expand it. It will provide a more thorough explanation of what the update includes and how it might affect your workflow. For updates that particularly interest you, you can bookmark them in your browser for quick access later. Additionally, Vercel often links to relevant documentation or blog posts within these updates, so be sure to check those out for deeper insights or implementation guides. If you're working on a specific project and are curious about how updates might impact it, you can also visit the Vercel documentation section, which is regularly updated to reflect the latest changes. Staying informed about these updates can help you optimize your use of Vercel's platform and ensure your projects are leveraging the newest features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.